Hey guys, we are going to do 3 examples for A.2I. The first one is a graphing example. And like today, like on your note, on the notes video, I'm just going to rename this. Let's just call it Y1 and Y2. Okay. So we're just writing the equations from the line, and we've done this a million times. So for Y1, I can see that we have a point here. So I'm searching for 2 points. And so I'm going to make my little table. And I know when x is 0, y is 3. And the next one, the next point I can see is when it crosses the y-axis, I can see when x is 1, y is 0. I'm going to put that in my calculator. And let's do that now. I'm going to hit stat, enter. I'm going to put in 0, enter, 1, enter. I'm going to hit tab. I'm going to put 3, enter, 0, enter. I'm going to hit stat, tab, 4, enter all the way down. And I see that slope is -3. So y1 is -3x plus 3. So that is the equation of that line. Let's do the next one. So for y2, we're gonna need our small table, and I can see that it crosses y at x is 0 and y is -7. And then x looks like 3.5 right here, but let's see if we can find an exact point. I'm gonna use this one right here. I know when x is 1, y is -5. So I'm going to put that in the calculator. I'm going to hit stat, enter, and I'm going to put in, let me go back, I'm going to put in 0 and 1, which is already in there. I'm going to go up and over. And I'm going to put -7. And I'm going to put -5. I'm going to hit stat, tab, 4, enter all the way down. And I have the equation of 2x minus 7. Now we're going to check and see if this is the solution, which we see right here. So I'm going to hit y equals. I'm going to put in -3x plus 3. I'm going to hit enter. And then I'm going to put 2x minus 7. And I'm going to hit enter. Then I'm going to hit second trace 5. There's my lines. And I know that when x is 2 and y is -3, that is my solution. So when x is 2 and y is -3, that is the solution, and that is what we see right here. X is 2, y is -3. Okay, let's look at the next one. And it's a table. Delete everything. So they want to know, the table shows the cost to order X flowers at 2 different supply stores. Write a system of equations. So we're not going to solve it. We're just going to write it. So we know we're going to use the calculator, and we're going to keep this X, and then we're going to use Y1, and that's that one. So let's pull up our calculator. Goodness, there it is. I'm going to hit stat, enter, and I'm going to put this in the calculator. I'm going to put in 10, 20, 30, 40, whoops, 40, 50. I'm going to tab over and I'm going to hit 80, 110, 140, 170, and 200. I'm going to hit Stat, tab 4, enter all the way down. And I know the first equation is y equals 3x plus 50. So this tells me they have a delivery charge of $50 and the flowers are $3 each. Okay, let's look at the next one. We're going to hit Stat, enter, and I'm just going to redo the Y column. Our X stays the same, so it's 50, enter, 100, 150, 200, whoops, 150, enter. There we go. 150, 200, and 250. Okay, I'm going to hit Stat, tab 4, enter, and I see that there's no y-intercept. We just have a slope of 5, so y equals 5x. Didn't say to solve it, so there's our answer. If they wanted you to solve it, you would hit y equals and put in those equations. I guess we can do that. Let's do that real quick. Y equals, and I'm going to put in clear. I'm going to put 3x plus 50. And then I'm going to put 5x. Dang it. 5x. Stat, tab, whoops, wrong one. Y equals, sorry guys. Now I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to hit second, trace, 5. Here come the lines. Okay, I can only see one, so I'm going to do the zoom. I'm going to hit zoom, 3, enter. I'm going to hit it again. Zoom, 3, enter. There's our lines. So now I'm going to do it one more time. Zoom, 3, enter. Now we can see where it crosses. And now I'm going to hit second, trace, 5, enter, enter, enter. And we know it intersects at x is 25 and y is 125. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Whoops. There we go. And this is our last one. It says a baseball team charges $25 for tickets for upper deck seats and $40 for lower deck seats. The stadium has 7,500 seats. And when the game is completely sold out, there is $255,000 in ticket sales. Write a system of equations that could be used to determine the number of upper deck seats and the number of lower deck seats. So I'm just going to be U for upper deck seats, L for lower deck seats. So I'm going to change that, and I'm going to use X and Y because I think it's easier. And so we know the number of seats are X plus Y equals 7,500 seats. And then we know the cost is 25X plus 40Y equals 255,000. If you were just selecting the system of equations, this would be your answer. If they were wanting you to solve the system of equations, you would need to put this in y equals mx plus b form. And since they're just saying to write the system, that's all we're going to do. And that's your answer. That'll do it for the A.2I examples. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I will see you guys soon. Thank you for watching.